How to enable lossless audio on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable lossless audio on Spotify. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here in the section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on media quality. And now here, once you're inside the section, just scroll and search for the lossless audio. But here, as of right now, after update, you won't be seeing this lossless option much in the section. So here for that, or for you to get lossless audio quality on Spotify, what you have to do is you just have to set the streaming quality of the audio to high or very high. So here you can just scroll down and set your selections just like this, and with that you'll get a lossless audio quality on Spotify. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.